Okay guys, welcome to Go Academy. If you guys like the video, click the like button and subscribe. So today we have these 4 shapes and I'm going to teach you how to count liberties and then how to calculate them. Knowing your liberties and the opponent liberties is really good for capturing races, and it's just good to know, just having the back of your head, just knowing how much liberty you have when you see these common shapes. So first, let's start down here. 3 spaces. This one's very easy. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Now remember this shape. 3 spaces is 3 liberties. Okay, now let's go on to the 4. This one's not just 4 because white can also respond. So 1, 2, 3, and instead of just 4, white can respond by capturing. And if white moves, that takes away 1 from your count. So 1, 2, 3, white takes, so back down to 2. So we're back at 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you notice, we have this shape, which no is 3. So we could just do 1, 2, 3, takes, back down to 2. And we know the shape is 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. So this square box 4 is 5 liberties. Now, again, remember the shape because it somehow comes back. Now down to this, flower 5, very common shape. And we all learn it. Vital point is right here. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. White takes, back down to 3. And now we have, oh, look at that, box 4. And we know the square or box 4 is 5 liberty. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So this has 8. 3, 5, 8. Now on to this, flower 6. This, a little bit less common, but also has a vital point in the middle, which kills it. So let's start counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. White takes, down to 4. And then we have, oh, look at that, flower 5. So 4 plus 8 is 12. And we can see 5, 6, 7, 8, back down to 7, 8, 9, and then 3. So 9 plus 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12. And if you go all the way back, we can see 3, 5, 8, 12. And if you look carefully, there's actually a pattern. From 3 to 4, we got an increase of 2. 3 to 5. And from the 4 space to 5 space, the liberty increased from 5 to 8 liberty, increase of 3. So from 3 to 4, increase of 2. From 4 to 5, increase of 3. So 5 to 6, gotta be increase of 4. So this was 8. So this is gonna have 12 liberty. Just like that, the pattern goes on and on. So there is math involved in counting liberty. And another cool, neat trick. Let's just say we have some black zones here. 2, just like that. How many liberty does that have? Well, at first you might be confused trying to count it all out, but no, just do the math. 5, this has 5, minus 2 is 3. This is 3 liberty. So 1, back down to 0, and then 1, 2, 3. So counting liberty is math related. We see this had a total of 8 liberty. If we put down 3 stones, how many liberty does it have? Well, instead of counting, you can just do 8 minus 3, and boom, 5. And again, we can check it. 1, go back down to 0, 1, 2, 3, go back down to 2, 1, or 3, 4, 5. So, counting liberties is math. You can add them, subtract them, there's a pattern. So just remember, these are very common shapes, so these are good to memorize. This has 3, 5, 8, and 12. Next time you see one of these shapes, you can immediately know, oh, that has 8. And you see 2 stones in it, 8 minus 2. Oh, 6 liberty. Just like that. You can count all your liberties, you can know your liberties using math right away. No need for counting, wasting your precious time, getting confused. No more of that. Just use this, use the math, and then you'll be able to know the liberties very quick and right away. So, as a quick recap, 3, 5, 8, and 12, the liberties increase by the house space minus 1. So this has 3 spaces, minus 1 is 2, so 3 plus 2, 5. And from 5, the house space is 4, minus 1 is 3, 5 plus 3, 8. And then 8, this is 5, so plus 4, 12, go on like that. And when you see stones inside, just minus how many stones there are from the total liberty. This had 5, but because there's 1, take away 1, 4. If there's 2, take away 2. There's 3. So on and so forth. Counting liberties, very easy. Just do the math. So this was a video on how to count liberty and how to calculate liberty. So next time you'll know how much liberty you have right away. So thank you for watching the video all the way through. And if you guys enjoyed, go check out another one.